Alright guys, so in this video I forgot to unbox something. I didn't wait for something that I should have waited for. And for that reason, we're going to get right into it, and I'm going to show you guys the item that I forgot before we actually start the unboxing. This box like barely even made it. It's in such terrible condition. Boom! As you can see right here, we got the sled. $48 piece of plastic that says Supreme on it. I haven't decided for sure whether or not I'm gonna sell this or whether or not I'm going to just keep it. There's already some like little minor defects in it. You can see like some scraping right here. I think that's just from the paint. I don't know. Oh, okay, no, it's got a plastic cover over the logo. I was like, what the heck? Yeah, it's got like a little piece of like vinyl or something over the logo, I think probably to protect the logo from scratching or something like that. But yeah, man, this is the piece. And now let's get into the rest of the video.
Someone falls to pieces, sleeping all alone. Someone kills the pain, spinning in the silence.
Okay, so we have a good amount of stuff to unbox today. Before we even get into it, I would like to say, as you guys know, it's 2018, and I'm going to start selling more. Oh, what is this? Oh, sorry, someone wrote door code. They didn't know the code to get into the building. Anyways, it is 2018, and you guys may have noticed I haven't really been shouting out Robitussin and Poppy as much during these videos, and the reason for that is because I've been doing like less sales and more like raffle stuff. So 2018, I plan on posting a bunch of stuff for sale, and I plan on posting more than just Supreme or Palace. I'm going to post some vintage stuff, like I have some really dope vintage Tommy Hilfiger swim trunks, and just in general a bunch of stuff on there. I also want to start a website soon, so of course make sure you follow Robitussin and Poppy. That'll be somewhere on the screen and in the description below. Now also, I know there are a couple pieces in this unboxing that I will be taking some photos of. I got some fit pics planned for, so of course if you would like to see those, make sure you follow my Instagram. My Instagram's at the Starlight. That'll be somewhere on the screen as well, and in the description below. That'll be the very first link right above the link to Robitussin and Poppy, so just make sure you go follow both those, alright? Anyways, let's get into this box first. I'm really curious what this has in it. I really don't remember ordering this much stuff, so I am somewhat curious as to what all of these packages contain. I really only remember like one or two things. Okay, so in this we have a tee and a hat. Oh, this hat was sick. Okay, so this is the camo Supreme box logo camp cap right here. This thing is super dope. I haven't quite decided if I'm gonna keep this or sell this. I don't really normally wear hats like this. However, I kind of had a fit pick that I was thinking about getting in these, so I might end up keeping it, but I'm not sure. This is one of the first times they've ever shipped it in a box and not included a bag as well. They, of course, told me on the stickers, but we'll go over all the stickers at the end. So, this right here is the dog tee. As you can see right here, it's in this like super dope lavender color. I was actually pretty stoked that they started doing this color. I think this is a sick color for the t-shirts. It says, if you're still pissed, throw dog shit on their windows or something. Thanks again, Supreme. And it's got this little graphic right here. I got that in a size large. That is one of the things I do remember. I've purchased a lot of the t-shirts. I think I got most of the tees, but I don't recall. Ooh, this is actually from my personal collection right here. Someone offered to sell this to me. And like, if you guys know me, like I won't pay I would not pay resale for this personally. Although I think it is dope. I really only got this to take a picture in with the Jacquard puffy jacket that I have, as you guys know. By the way, oh man, this is sick. I don't really wear stuff like this. It probably looks hella goofy on my head. I feel like I normally wouldn't wear stuff like this, but who knows, maybe this will become a hiking essential. Maybe I'll start wearing this and the matching jacket up in the mountains. I don't know, maybe I'll take some hype beast snow mountain photos with those. I did take some really sick photos in that jacket, so make sure you follow me on my personal Instagram like I mentioned before. It's got this little pocket on the side right here, little Velcro pocket. You can put your weed in there.
A lot of people don't realize this, but you can put your weed in there.
I should have another puffer coat in here that I really want to get some photos in. I don't know which. Oh wait, okay, good. I thought this was something else because this does not look familiar right now. Have you guys been getting hoed with the stickers? Like, I feel like I'm getting gypped with the stickers, and I've heard that it's not just me either. Like, I've heard several people complain or mention that they're kind of being a little bit more stingy with the sticks. Oh, I forgot about this. Okay, I remember this now. This is the Sherpa lined champion jacket. This thing is crazy. As you can see, it's got Supreme on the hood stitched in right there. You got the Champion logo zipper. The quality is okay. It doesn't really feel that thick with 2 C's. I would say it's thick with 1 C. You got a little pocket on the inside as well, if you look right here. On the back, you have the Champion logo all stitched in. The quality is immaculate. And then, of course, on the front, you have the Champion logo as well. Down here in your bottom right abdomen region, you got some pockets down there as well. This jacket's pretty decent. I know that this was fairly hyped. This did sell out relatively quickly. However, I believe this dropped. Well, I know it dropped with the box logo beanies, which, if you guys don't know, of course, I got one of those as well. I got the Codeine box on the blood red little New Era beanie right there. It's got the box logo, and then on the other side, it says World Famous. The sun is currently setting. I am battling against time right now, and I keep having to up my ISO. So, hopefully, I can get through all of these goodies today. So next up we got, what is this? Oh, this is one of the sickest tees. Honestly, I wish I would have got this in black, and I got this in lavender just because I really like that color. I saw the color and I was like, oh my goodness, that color is so sick. I still honestly might end up keeping this. I just think this tee is so sick. I would just rather have a black one, honestly. Like, I think, oh man, this is so dope. As you can see, you have Supreme USA right there. It's on a lavender base. This graphic is super dope to me. And then, of course, on the back right there, you got Supreme USA as well. I think this is going to be a super sick tee to keep in your personal collection. If you acquired one of these, I would not recommend selling it. Like I said, I might end up selling this one, and then I might just end up buying the black one. I think the black one is doper. I don't know, man. I was just going for all the lavender colors. I thought the lavender was sick. I still think this is a super sick color, especially because I know where I want to wear it. I don't know, man. I might just need to find someone to trade a black one with, but I don't know. We'll see whether or not I can just end up doing a straight trade for a black one, or I can sell that one and then just buy a black one. I don't know. If you have a black one and you're willing to sell it to me for a good price, then of course DM me on my Instagram. Like I said before, my Instagram will be in the description below, which you should be following anyways, because you're gonna see me rocking and shocking some of these pieces. Shout out to my brother Paul Cantu. What the heck is this? Oh, I got a little pin. I almost lost that. Man, I really think they got rid of their little 2-sticker policy, because it seems like I'm only getting 1 sticker each. Okay, this is actually way bigger in person. So this is the Polar Tech logo scarf. This thing is huge. I really did not think it was gonna, oh, that's what she said. Anyways, I didn't think it was gonna be that big. Like, look at this thing. I kind of wish I would have just, how would I even wear this, bro? Yeah, you know, I mean, you know, you can't see it or nothing, but, you know, your boy warm and shit. But either way, Polar Tech, Supreme. It says Supreme all stitched in throughout the entire freaking piece. If you have a young child, honestly, you probably should have just got this and used this as their little baby towel, and you could have a little hype beast child with his little baby towel essentials. So I should have I have 2 more pretty large packages. That's also what, well, that's not what she said. Hopefully that's not what she said. Anyways, so what do we got here? What do we got? Once again, pulling me with the stickers. Okay, this piece right here I got for a fit. I will probably not keep this. I'll probably take the fit pick, and then I'll probably end up selling it. This is the like Gucci vertical stripe Supreme jacquard little sweater right here. And I normally don't really rock with the jacquards like that when it comes to the sweaters, just because they're kind of a lighter material. I did get this in a large, so I think it'll fit pretty good. If I got this in a medium, it definitely would not fit me, but I got a fit pick coming soon, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. Like I said earlier, how many Instagram shoutouts is that? Is that like 3 or 4? I don't know. If it's 4, I gotta do at least 6 more before the video's over. But yeah, I think this piece is super sick. Of course, it's got the classic logo right there. Definitely a dope piece. This was the first colorway to sell out, because of course, every time there's a Gucci colorway, it sells out. What is this? Oh, this is the Chainsaw Massacre tee. Okay. Once again, you already know we got it in the bright coloration. We got it in the lavender. Had to go ham on the tees. Once again, it says Supreme right here. You got the Chainsaw Massacre little graphic right there. Pretty dope piece. And yeah, man, whenever they drop the tees, I always cash out. I try to get every single tee. And this week was no different. I also got a Gons tee. And you already know I had to get that pink color. Man, the pink is beautiful with this t-shirt, yo. Especially with those like hot pink lips and the light pink base. Like, this thing looks dope. You got the Gons logo right there. You got the Supreme graphic. As you guys know, this is Supreme rules everything around me. Cream! Dollar bills, y'all. That is why it is misspelled like that. So, next up has got to be the package I wanted. And it is, I got scared for a second. For a brief moment, I was thinking that it's not what I was thinking. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Now, when this first came out, I will admit, I wasn't like so hyped on it. I wasn't like crazy like, oh my god, I need that. But honestly, I just got a super sick photo idea, so I was like, okay, cool, I'm gonna get this. And I might end up keeping this after I get the photo. I don't know, maybe this would be like a sick piece to wear to New York. As you can see, it's got all these New York Supreme license plates all over it. As you can see, it's got these like New York Supreme license plates all over it. I got a black color because that's just, I don't know, if I end up keeping it, that would be the color that I would wear most. This is kind of big, honestly, but I would wear this over a hoodie or something like that. So I don't know, maybe I'll end up keeping it, wearing it to next year's SneakerCon New York. Either way, I got some super sick photos that I will be taking in this. So of course, like I said, follow me on Instagram. That'll be somewhere on the screen and in the description below. I think that's only 5 shout-outs, which is not enough. As you guys know, my Instagram needs at least 100 shout-outs per video. It will change your life. My Instagram is absolutely fire. It is really starting to get dark outside, and it's only 3:50 in the afternoon. I absolutely despise wintertime. Not wintertime, Zai. Actually, if it's wintertime, you know what I'm saying? I fuck with you wintertime, but it's not wintertime of the season. Even though the snow hikes are pretty fun. But yeah, man, anyways, last but not least, we have the stickers. And it is a disappointment. We only have 6 box logos. You guys know that is absolutely pathetic. We also did get a pin. But regardless, I will add that to the collection. You guys know I got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of box logo stickers. But like I said earlier, if you guys want a chance to purchase any of these items, a lot of this stuff will be posted on Robitussin Poppy coming very soon. Along with a lot of other stuff. Like I said, I want to do a website and I want to get... I don't know, man. I'm pretty excited for what I want to do. So if you guys want to stay up to date with that, make sure you follow Robitussin Poppy. That'll be somewhere on the screen and in the description below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you appreciated the video. I hope you guys liked the pickups. This is the last pickup from the season. And yeah, man, right now I'm just looking forward to next season to see what Supreme drops. I am excited. What did you guys think of the season? Are you guys excited for next season? Let me know down in the comments below. Subscribe if you have not already. Turn on notifications. Join the notification gang. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it from the top and bottom of my heart. It is getting dark outside. So as always, keep living the star life. And like I said earlier, if you got this in a black size, medium, or large, please HML, hit my line, hit my Instagram, or I should say HMI, hit my Instagram, and let me know. Don't try taxing me either. Do not try taxing me. But yeah, man, thank you. Peace.